तो व्हाट्सअप कैसे हो आप सारे अरे यार सो हेलो व्हाट्सअप हाउ यू डूइंग एवरीबॉडी सो टुडे आई एम गोना व्लॉग इन ओनली इंग्लिश चैलेंज मुझे अरे तो आई पोस्टेड अ वीडियो ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम अबाउट गिव मी challenges or something. So one of my friends gave me challenge to do vlog in only English challenge. So I will try. I will speak in English the whole day. Let's see. I will try. I will try. From my side, I will only speak in English. I don't know about everybody else. I will say to them that it's a fucking tough challenge. From the way home from metro, I try to speak in English, but like so many times, I say words in Hindi. So I did this. समझ जाना. So whenever I do something like this, and I cut my video in half part, so then you guys should understand that I will say something in Hindi. So let's go. See, it's Saturday again and we are going to office. I will already tell them already that today I will shoot an English vlog. Let's see. So I came to metro. I just want to say one thing first. Listen guys, I am not fluent in English. Not even my friends fluent in English. So don't judge us. We just trying. Okay. Trying to just do the challenge right now. Let's see how long it will go, but I try my best to talk in English, but don't know how my fluency going on, so don't judge me then. Just laugh, had fun and judge me, okay? So yeah, we are here. अब यार एक तो बार बार हिंदी निकल जाती है. It's only English challenge today. In today's vlog, we just have to talk in English. Whenever I open my camera, we just talk in English, okay?
Whenever you open the camera?
Yeah. Now, full road silence.
To our office.
Toot English challenge. He will also speak in English.
Okay, from today we will speak in English.
Yeah,
only.
it's only English challenge.
There is no Hindi between us, just like girls.
He is fluent. Fluent. He is fluent in English.
I'm
We are
not
not.
fluent in English. I'm not able to speak English, pronounce English.
I beg to say that.
I mean, after 2 February, I will not come to the office till 8 of February.
For a week, he will go home for wedding.
He comes, he get a letter.
Letter of termination.
I think I both also want my notes.
Yeah.
Our boss will ask him.
Okay, we will see you in office. So here we are, my another partner. We are doing only English challenge, so we only have to talk in English today. Okay. So say something.
So friends, I am suggest to you not do job, only do business.
Our only topic: do business. Job is waste of your time.
If you complete your sapne, then do business. Okay, bro. This is my personal opinion.
In today's
Argument level.
English.
Our seniors say with what to me. हमारी ठीक है मैं समझ क्या बोलूँ
he is B.Tech pass software engineer who don't know how to speak English. So tell my viewers, how do you crack your interview if you don't know how to speak in English? बताओ. So yeah, I finally gonna reach home in few minutes. I'm at metro station, my place metro station. So right now I'm gonna meet my Badnaam Ashik, as you know, my best friend, my brother. We're gonna hang out and continue this challenge with him. He's good in English, I'm not. I tried whole day to vlog, but I had lots of work after break, so I didn't record anything after that. So now we're gonna head towards first meet our friend, then we have to go to our Didi's home because she is missing us and we are missing her. We're gonna go to Greater Noida first, then I'm gonna meet you ahead. Continue with the vlog and the flow. I think एक वर्ड हिंदी में तो बहुत गंदा है चैलेंज कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहा ढंग से. So hello again, we are here. Big B आ चुका है. So yeah, as you see what happened right now. So it's English, only English challenge, so we have to only talk in English until cameras open. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are right now waiting for Badnaam Ashik. Let's always waiting, as you know, if you see my old vlogs, we are always waiting for him.
And today we are we change the seat pattern.
Yeah.
Like he's trying to make big. I
Let him
I
try.
just want
So yeah, right now,
don't
like
need to
always,
think
he's like always he's driving and I'm sitting behind and vlogging. But
Now we
today,
change the pattern.
now he's sitting behind. I'm gonna vlog from driving seat. But be curious. But everyone post on their that in WWE they post that don't try this at home in your gari. Oh my god!
in your car, not that.
In your car, that while you're driving, don't vlog because it's kind of little dangerous. I'm
But
gonna.
right now car is stable. It is.
Yeah.
Don't judge us. We are
You can judge us. I don't care. I'm careless right now.
We are working on MNC.
You
I worked on. He gigging, but
leave everything. We both
Yeah.
are software engineers and we don't
But,
know how to speak in English.
that time we can speak in English, but right now it is little bit nervous and we are just waiting for him.
Yeah.
See when he come.
Let's cut this right now. Neither this video is gonna be
Oh,
too
wow,
long.
neither. Wow.
So yeah, he comes.
He comes.
So no.
Abusive
Listen,
language also in English.
We only have to talk in English. You only can say abusive language like fuck, motherfucker. And-
That will not go for copyright or something.
No. Let's go. Oh, चलती बंद हो गई. एक मिनट हो गई. So guys, we are having dumplings. He started already. He is so hungry and his bowls are paining. So let's eat. दिखाते हैं तुम्हें. मुझे एक So hello, how you doing? I'm doing this vlog after 2 days because after that day I didn't get some time to make videos and all. I felt little bit sick, so I'm doing it after 2 days. So I'm ending this vlog right here. Tell me how was it? I do this challenge बोलेंगे I will make sure to made part 2 because in this video or vlog I didn't do much. I think so. I just captured little part of my videos because there is no one to talk or and I have some work to do blah 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 blah. चलो यार अब हिंदी में आया तो हो गया. चलो मिलता हूँ तुमसे तब तक नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए सी यू सून. बाय बाय.